Hello everyone. Welcome to the Geography 361 lab session. In this video, I'm talking about three things. The first thing is how to open your SPSS under the Anywhere apps platform. And the second thing is how to upload your data to that platform. And the last thing is how to download your data and how to download your graph from that platform. So now let's do the first thing, how to open the SPSS on the Anywhere apps platform. To find the link of that platform, you can just Google NIU Anywhere apps. Then the first one is the link what we need. We can just open this in a new tab, or just directly left click this. After you open this link, you may see one interface asks you to input your username and password. The username is your ZID. The password is your password of your ZID. After you type your ZID and the password, then click Log On button. After you enter this platform, you may see this interface. Then we click the apps icon. After we click the apps icon, you may see a lot of programs here. What we need is the SPSS. We click the SPSS icon to enter the SPSS. Then you enter the SPSS and you can use this to do your analysis. I think some students may have some problems when they enter the SPSS. After they click the details, they may see these windows here. They may see these windows. So if you click the detect receiver, you need to download one small software. Then you need to install this software on your computer. Since I know some of your computer are not Windows, it's not using the Windows operating system. So maybe you are using the Chromebook, MacBook, or other types of computer. So in this lab, we just use the web version of the SPSS. You need to click this button here, use light version. If you want to install that software, you can just click this button. It doesn't matter, they are the same thing. But the second link will not, you can directly use the SPSS by click the second link without download anything. So here you can use your SPSS to some analysis. Okay, then we will talk about the second thing. The second thing is how to upload your data to this web version SPSS. You may see one icon here. After you left click this button, you may see several buttons here. The first one is the full screen. Then these windows will be maximized. And second is download. It means you will download file from this cloud. And the third one is upload. It means if you use this function, you can upload file from your local drive to this cloud. So here we just click this button, upload. To demonstrate how to upload file to this cloud, I will show. I will use two files. The first one I will use one file we use in the lab 1. So here, the data format of these two. We use these two files in the lab 1. The data format is .sav. It is specially for the SPSS software. So we will upload one of these to the cloud. So we just randomly select one. Here I just select urban land use data .sav. Then we click open. You may see one arrow pop up windows, so we don't need to worry about that. Just click OK, and then click the drop down arrow on the left of this PC. Then you can find your cloud drive. The name of your cloud drive is your ZID. Then you just click your ZID and then hit OK. Now your file is uploaded to the cloud. To open your file, you can just click the file here and then click open, click data. So you can find this file we just uploaded to the cloud. Then we click open. Now you can see this file is opened by the SPSS. So you can do some analysis. You can do some analysis to this data. The second thing I want to show you is how to upload one file is not in the SPSS platform to the cloud. So for example, in our lab 5, which you will do this week, the question 4 is ask you do some t-test using the SPSS. Here, after you download the Word document from the Blackboard, so you can see a table here in the Word. We first, if we want to upload this table to the NIU Anywhere apps cloud, we first copy all the data in this table. We just select them and copy. Then we need to create one Excel file. We just call it lab 5 question 4 and underscore 1 means this is the first part of the question 4. After we open that Excel, we just paste the table from that table to the Excel. After you paste that, you can check your data. It is not perfect. For example, in the first 2 rows, there are the names. Actually, the name can only occupy 1 row. So we do some modify here. We cut the schools to the first row, leave the second row blank. Then we just delete our second row. So now it looks good. Let's do some simple visualize here. Maybe we just draw some scatters. Okay, it looks good. There are data, not some annoying string here. Okay, so then we save this data. We go back to your SPSS. We upload this Excel file to the cloud. We select this file and then we click open button. We see the pop-up windows again. We don't need to worry about that. Just click OK. Then we click then we click the drive with your ZID. Then we click OK button. With just 1 second, your data is uploaded to your anywhere cloud. Then if you want to open that file to your SPSS, we just click the file here. Then we click open data. So here, your Excel file should be here, but you cannot find here. The reason is the files of type here only show the SPSS data. So you can change that to the Excel data form. Then you can see your Excel file here. We click this one, and then we click open button. So here you can see a preview here. It shows you what you will see after you open that. So it has your data and your data's name and your data's type. We are lucky the data type here is scale data. If your data type is scale data, if your data type is not correct, you need to change your measure by click the variable view and then change your measure type here. But we are lucky this time. The measure are scale and SPS think they are scales. Then you can do some analysis here. Okay, this is how we upload our file to the SPSS. So in the last part, I will talk about how to download the file to your local drive. So normally we do not need to download the file, but for some reason you may want to download the file to your local drive. So you just click the download icon here. Then you click your file. Now you just assign one location on your local drive to save this one. So I just save this on my desktop. Okay. So this is the downloaded data from the anywhere cloud. In other situation, you do not want to download your data. So you just want to copy your result to your copy the analyze results to your answer sheet. So for example, I can create one answer sheet here. And first, I just want to make one scatter here, graph, chapter. Sometimes your window is too large, so you can make it smaller to see the OK and the paste button. So after we assign the x-axis and the y-axis for this scatter, we click OK. Then you can see this table. You can see this scatter. If you want to copy and paste this one, you can just print your screen or use the one tool. This is called the snipping tool. You can just hit your Start or Windows button. Then in the search bar, search the snipping tool. You can open that one. Then you click New. You can see now you can draw one rectangle here. After you draw this rectangle, you can, and then you go back to your answer sheet, and then right click here and select paste. Now your result is in your answer sheet. This is I think this is very easy, and you can figure it out. So this is how you download your file and how to copy and paste your result from the cloud to your local drive. You can practice by your lab 1 or lab 2 with some easy example. If you have any question, you can email me and I will show you how to do your work. Thank you.